distract yourself or disengage with cheap sources of dopamine. A lot of students and a lot of youth, they are engaged in, like you said, 10 minutes of scrolling would break that mindset of
Hmm.
high standards. Then how do you keep fighting the battle of high standard? How do you avoid cheap sources of dopamine?
So, in your journey, let's say you started a year ago, you know where you are at point A, you know where you are at right now is the point B, which is continuously moving in present tense. And you know there is going to be point C according to your milestones. There might be some milestones that were achieved very before than planned, or some uncertainty happened and you got a good boost. Okay. So, let's say for going into Pokhran at the nuclear test site, let's say for going into a military exercise, which was 10 times bigger than what the Prime Minister actually had. Those were dream come true for people like us that we started a year ago, and the military is allowing us to do this. Imagining what is better in future, not procrastinating. Imagining what you making right now will be delivered in future and what it might be making. The dreams and flashes which comes in your face when you close your eyes or your eyes are open and you see something that what is this capable of rather than what I built a year ago. Those small flashes, like they shows in the movies, will keep you alive if you are making something on your own. That is the primary source of dopamine for me if I want to replace something. Instead of staying away from these apps, what you could do is you could limit yourselves, you could limit your following and follow the things you want, which will actually help you in your motivational thing.